Hey, we have some phenomenal news in this ever shifting market. Great opportunities once again for first time homebuyers right now. I have down payment assistance programs that don't have income restrictions. Now, you see, a big problem in California, especially, is we have a lot of programs that are really good, like CalHAFA, and there's a slew of them that we can discuss and go over when you apply. But there are a lot of income restrictions, and with property prices the way they are in the Bay Area and with rates the way they are right now in the market, it can make it really challenging. But we have a product right now. It's private down payment assistance, basically. And so it's an FHA mortgage that's a zero down loan with no income restrictions. So I'm going to go over the guidelines with you right now and kind of tell you what it's all about. It is an FHA mortgage only. So it's 3.5%, well, 96.5% first mortgage, 3.5% second mortgage, 100% financing. It does work for single family residences as well as 2-unit properties. So you can do zero down on 2-unit properties, which is pretty phenomenal. Once again, it is a 96.5% first with a 3.5% second. The minimum FICO is 600. So we can go all the way down to a 600 FICO and do 100% financing. It's pretty incredible. Now, as far as property types, I did mention single family and 2-unit properties, but just know it does work on condominiums, planned urban developments, even manufactured housing when you're buying the land. The borrower's minimum contribution is, get this, 0. So what that means is you could have the sellers pay all the closing costs and someone could buy a home without putting any money into the transaction. That's pretty crazy, right? And there's actually 2 options for this. There is a second lien that is a 0% rate. It's fully amortized over 30 years, and it is forgivable. It does cost points to close this loan, but it is available. And so to really price it out, we just have to see what the transaction looks like and how it prices out at that day. The second option, and this is the one that's more viable, it's a second loan, 3.5%, like we said, and it's actually 2% above your first loan amount. So if your first loan is, say, 6%, then your second loan is 8%. And then there are monthly payments with this option, and it is a 10-year amortization. So it's a 10-year loan. So that's how that works. It's a really cool program. If you're interested, freshhomeloan.com. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan, Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. And I will tell you, first-time homebuyers, this really is your opportunity more than it has been in like 5 years, as far as getting your offer accepted and the lack of competition that's out there. Yes, we're seeing a little bit higher rates, but get those keys. The market's going to come down at some point, and we'll take advantage of that opportunity too. I've seen it happen in the 2 decades I've been doing this over and over hundreds of times, literally. So once again, I'm here to help you, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Peace out.